Okay, well, for a third, fourth, fifth, something like that time, I'm at one of my favorite places in Oregon, Crater Lake, where the ancient Mount Mazama 7,000 years ago lost a vertical mile of rock, filled up a lake 2,000 feet, and left this amazing blue feature before you. And this particular round of crater laking is different because it has a Kaylee in it. Right there. And that's all you need to know. Let's go explore Crater Lake.
In the mountains of southern Oregon, you can find a place where 7,000 years ago, an exploding volcano created a deeply special place. Made more special by walking its splendor with another. The rock-tailed tales of Mount Mazama's ancient fury, which still survives, are the stories of the ancestors of those natives who survived its wrath. A tranquil universe made by the Earth's violent temper. Crater Lake National Park has more wonders than the remains of Mount Mazama. Walk its trails and relish its beauty. Pinnacles of ash hardened by volcanic steam stretch to the Oregon sky. Epic wonders in Crater Lake National Park.